first you need to try. I hope you must succeed. Now sap will also make. Now we will take a color. First we can draw a apple color. Dark portions I'm taking to brush. You can change also your brush style. You go through brush style. Maybe this it will be very sketchy and pastel oriented will be better. Okay, it will be very better. Start your roughly something. Why you taking this brush? Because it's making and look and feel rough and scrap. It's very beautiful looks. Okay, just do the oil. If you have, if you think that you have the oil pastel, you can work by oil pastel by this process. I'm just also giving example in digital painting, but you can walk through same technique by your oil pastel or your digital pen or digital pen pad. Okay. Who are the beginners? This is technique for them, because I also trying to focus on them who are the totally. Okay. Now we can do a different shade. This is just you can play with color, maybe digital, maybe manual. Maybe digital or maybe manual. Very don't need for more attention. Just play with color and brush. Play with color and brush. Okay. Now do the brush size little. And here you can add a this part. And it's some depth here. Some depth by color. Okay. And some green shapes. Make some green shapes. And now after that, add just very quick. How many fast you can make apple. This is that point. Okay. Now you can add some highlight. Here you can add highlight. Look, here is looking a pastel type. More highlight you can create here. More highlight. Look, that is ready. This part, remove this part. Just do message. Is clear? Not only that, here you can add little dark part. Do here little dark. Possibly do high. Okay, look, apple is ready. This is the technique that how in short time you will make apple with lighter shade. Here and here you can leave. Thank you.